Thanks so much for joining. I'm Joe Peterson. I'm the Vice President of Cloud and Security for Clarify 360. I am here on behalf of AWS 8 every day from the CTO advisor. And today we're going to talk about Amazon Verified Permissions. This is a new service that can help you implement and enforce fine-grained authorization on resources within the applications that you're building and deploying, such as HR systems, banking apps. So how does it work? The service centralizes these fine-grained permissions for custom apps, and it helps developers authorize user actions within the apps themselves. So Amazon Verify Permission uses the Cedar policy language to define these fine-grained apps for application users. Why should I use it? Well, it's going to help you build apps faster. It's going to help reduce operational costs by providing you with authorization to enforce access based upon roles and attributes of your identities and resources. You can define your policy model, create and store policies in a central location, and then evaluate access really quickly within milliseconds. As a policy engine, Amazon Verified Permissions can help your application verify user action in real time. And if you're moving towards zero trust, that's what you need. It also highlights permissions that are not valid and accounts that are overprivileged. Super important as well. Amazon Verified Permission supports governance and compliance. It provides auditing tools to configure, maintain, and analyze permissions across multiple diverse applications to help answer the question of who had access to what. So, what are a few ways that you're going to put this into play? You're going to define a fine grained authorization model. You're going to create policies from templates and enforce those controls within Amazon API Gateway and AWS AppSync. You're going to grant fine-grained permissions within applications. You're going to allow administrators to create application-wide policies, and then developers are going to be able to grant user permissions to access data and resources. You can audit permissions across apps. You can review policy model changes and monitor authorization requests using Amazon Verified Permissions. You can centralize the policy administration system, and you can create and centrally store policy-based access controls and meet your application latency requirements within millisecond processing. Thanks for joining today.